Hey, and welcome to another video on ImagR. Happy to see you. My name is Steven. Today we will explain the second button on ImagR offline, the crop button. If you don't have an ImagR license yet for offline, you can get one on design-gecko.com/offline. Link is also in the video description. First of all, we have to start the ImagR offline program by running the ImagR launcher. Of course, we need the ImagR main app since we want to show cropping, which is part of the image preparation software. Now we have to upload an image first. If not, the crop function won't show any image, but I guess that's common sense. In my case, I will use this dog's image, which I found on laser-pics.com, where you can download images for free, often already prepared for engraving. After a successful upload, we will click on the crop button. As you see, it opens now a dialog with a bunch of information, buttons, and sliders. But first of all, what is cropping? Cropping allows you to cut out a specific part of an image. It is mostly used to get rid of unwanted areas, which we don't need or want in our engravings. Now let me explain the different buttons, sliders, and possibilities. The most important thing for cropping is obviously the grid, here in light blue, where you can determine the area you want to use. In my example, I will remove the empty areas from the background so only the dog is left. Simply like that. It's basically child's play to crop an image with ImagR, but I thought it's still helpful to explain everything in detail. Now, when you click on the measurement field, you can choose the unit which you're most familiar with. In my case, it is millimeters. The width and height fields are just for information. If you activate the square crop option, the crop area will always be a perfect square, no matter which side you adjust. That's really helpful for tiles, coins, and other symmetrical shapes. If you want round edges on your image, or even create a complete circle, play around with the round edges slider. The last and probably most important step, hit the crop button and be happy with your perfectly cropped image. That's all I have to say about the crop function. I hope to see you in the next video, where we will explain literally everything about resizing. Thank you for watching and have a good time. Bye.